Where am I? Oh, I guess it's 2 a.m. QT time.
Hey, Steven.
Hey, Catherine, what's going on? Are you studying for accounting?
Yeah. Do you need help? Can you stop getting distracted?
Maybe.
Okay, so what did you need help with?
I'm still confused with this whole ABC costing. I've been doing 2 a.m. QT time all semester and I still can't understand it.
Okay, well, do you want help with explaining it?
Please.
Okay. So, ABC costing stands for activity-based costing.
Okay.
And it's a costing system that identifies individual activities as fundamental cost objects.
Okay.
It then allocates and determines unit costs based on activities required and costs consumed.
I still don't understand though, like,
Okay.
is that even English?
Yes, it is. Okay, let's use a supercar manufacturer like McLaren. So, there are many parts and processes that go into the production of a car. Activity-based costing helps companies apply overhead way more accurately to these processes.
Hey, it's my two best friends, Steven and Catherine from accounting.
Okay, I'm literally trying to explain to him ABC costing. Do you think we can use an example as supercars to help him?
Yeah, that's a great example. Think about the different cars that McLaren makes. The P1 is a lot more expensive than the MP4 12C, right? Using activity-based costing, we can understand why this is. You see, when the McLaren factory pays their total overhead costs, they need ABC costing to measure overhead per unit to make sure that each car is making the money. ABC costing works like this.
Let's say, hypothetically, that McLaren knows that they have incurred $10 million in overhead costs for one factory in the year. The first step in activity-based costing is to trace the total overhead cost to each individual cost driver. In this case, they are the number of machine setups, the number of product tests completed, and machine-related costs. After tracing these amounts, we can divide them by the total number of times that these actions were completed to find out the total overhead costs for each one. After that, we must multiply the rate by how much that cost driver used and add them to find total manufacturing overhead assigned to them. And then finally, the overhead per unit.
So do you get it?
Guys, I still don't get it.
Okay, you need to be doing 1 a.m. QT time from now on.
I guess so.